A quick version of beef stroganoff. Boil the noodles for 10 minutes, cook up the beef, and then we'll get to the next step. Half a package of baby Bella mushrooms, and then we mixed in 2 cans of cream of mushroom Campbell's soup after we cook the mushrooms and the meat up. And then we're going to put 1 can of milk. Okay, so we're going to use a half container of baby Bella mushrooms, and then we're going to put them in the cooked meat and saute them up until they're fully cooked. Then we're going to put in 2 cans of the cream of mushroom Campbell's soup and 1 can of milk. Stir it up until it's well, and then you can serve it over the egg noodles that are cooked.